Hi there and welcome back to M5 Stack official channel. I'm Luke and today we're going to be looking at the M5 Stick C. We could say that this is the little brother of the M5 Stack. It's considerably smaller and has been designed for developing wearable applications. The Stick C has a full color LCD screen. It has a Grove port for attaching any of our previous Grove compatible sensors. USB-C port for charging. GPIO pin outs on the back for if you want to attach your own sensors by DuPont cables. It has 3 physical buttons, and then inside we have a microphone, an IR transmitter if you want to control such things as a TV or an air conditioner, and also it has a 6-axis accelerometer built in. So how can we program it? In a previous video we showed you how you could program it with the Arduino interface, but today we're going to be showing you how you can program it with the Uiflow interface. First though, we're going to need to see how to set up the Wi-Fi. Okay. To turn the M5 Stick C on, we can long press the button on the left lower hand side of the device for a few seconds, and then we'll see the Uiflow logo. On first boot, it'll automatically go into the Wi-Fi setup. It will display the access point, which we can then find in the Wi-Fi settings of our phone, tablet, or computer. If we switch on the device and hold the button down, we can get into the sub-menu where we can choose to program the device, choose from an app list of downloaded programs, or go into the Wi-Fi setup list, where we can also choose to set it into USB mode or choose previous Wi-Fi networks we've connected to. Now we're going to go to Uiflow and enter in our API key to get started with coding. Let's go to the computer. You'll likely be familiar with the Uiflow if you've used M5 Stack's products before, but if this is your first time using it, you should go and check out some of our other tutorials. First things first, we need to go into Settings and enter the API key that's on the screen of our device. If you press Program in the menu on the device, API key should come up on the screen. We need to enter it and select the Stick C rather than the core. Now let's see what we can do with the Stick C in Uiflow. If we first go into the Hardwares tab, we can see the blocks that control different components unique to the M5 Stick C. The accelerometer controls, the real-time clock functions, the internal LED, controlling the GPIO ports of the M5 Stick C, getting a readout of the USB charging, and controlling the brightness of the screen. Of course, there's much more we can do with this. This is just intended as a quick overview. We can also use the units that are already part of the M5 Stack system. Just make sure that you add them to port A. And there we have it. We've programmed the Stick C with Uiflow. Wasn't that easy? Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any ideas for projects, or you want to see a video of our other products in the M5 Stack range, make sure to leave your suggestions down in the comments. And we'll see you next time. Make sure to subscribe and like. Goodbye for now.